It's like right now I'm guessing it's a 3.5 to 1.
3.5 to 1?
Yeah.
Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
I like this. You're louder when you took your seat out, I bet you.
I don't know. I've had this built for 2 weeks.
Oh, okay. I like that. It's cool. Oh, wow. Did y'all build it?
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah. Backyard build, man.
Okay. Nothing wrong with that.
2 ZB5 18s
Okay.
on SFB AK. I'm supposed to have another AK.
Yes,
I
sir.
couldn't get one in time because of the coronavirus shit.
I understand, yeah.
I'm on 2 homes, so 1.4 per.
All right. What are the box specs?
It's 44 deep and 38 wide. It's like right now I'm guessing it's a 3.5 to 1.
3.5 to 1? Okay.
Yeah. It's 2.2 per sub sealed and about 15 cubes ported right now.
Got it. Okay. All right. How about your port?
I believe it's 48 inches.
All right.
I'm thinking that the cab and the ported section are 1-to-1 right now, but I don't know.
Okay.
She's got a hellacious bandwidth. She plays like up to 80
Really?
hertz, yeah.
Okay.
Still not on full power yet. I can't wait to get it on full power because then I can play with the port.
Yeah, you'll be able to open it
Right
up.
now I'm just like a tested tune
Yeah.
stage, you know?
Yes, sir. I understand. Thank you for the demo.
Thank you, man.
Yes, sir. What was your name?
Tyler.
Tyler. All right, Tyler. I'm going to go look at the back.
Play some lows.
Yes, sir. I understand. Thank you for the demo.
Thank you, man.
Oh, yes, sir. What was your name?
Tyler.
Tyler. All right, Tyler. I'm gonna go look at the back.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JakeOfVile when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.